Hello and welcome to your gratitude meditation. Sit or lay down in a comfortable position. Close your eyes and calm your breathing. Deepen your inhale, expanding through your rib cage and stomach. Exhale through your nose. Notice the air as it cools your nostrils. Guide your attention to the areas where your body makes contact with your chair, bed, or the ground. Slowly you melt further and further, relaxing fully. With every inhale, a wave of relaxation washes over you. Draw your focus to the crown of your head. Slowly scan down to your shoulders, abdomen, and legs. Notice if there is any tension remaining in your body. Have you found any areas of discomfort? Imagine as though you are guiding your next inhale to that area. As you do so, the area warms gently and releases fully. You feel your tension melt away. Counting down from 10, your mind settles and you feel at ease. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Now that you are feeling nice and relaxed throughout your entire body, I invite you to visualize a beautiful oasis filled with your favorite flowers and trees. You hear that it is abuzz with life. Birds are singing and the sun is shining through the trees. Ahead of you, you see a small river flowing off into the distance. You take a seat at the riverbank. The grass beneath you is soft and cool. The sound of water lulls you into a peaceful state. Take some deep breaths, filling your lungs with the fresh air. Notice the nature around you and all of the living creatures that the river brings. There are dragonflies hovering above the water. A fish splashes above the water before returning to the depths. What else can you see as you sit on the riverbank? You notice the sun beginning to set as the sky is awash with pink and orange hues. The golden light outlines the clouds, making them glow with color. You lay yourself down on the grass beneath you and admire the sky. Continue to take deep breaths, and with each exhale, the sky changes to a purple shade as the stars begin to reveal themselves. With each breath, more and more stars appear. A shooting star streaks across the sky, and as it fades, you make a wish. Suddenly, dozens of stars shoot across the sky. As each one fades, you are reminded of all the things you are grateful for. Take a moment and think of one thing that you are grateful for, visualizing it if you can. This can be anything from your family, your friends, or even the air that you are breathing right now. Hold this image in your mind and your heart. As you do, your heart begins to glow with a warm golden light. As you align with your gratitude, the globe expands through your entire body until you are radiating with this glorious light. Suddenly, you find yourself among the stars that you were just observing. You gaze down on the world below, seeing the clouds drift slowly across the land. As they float along, they cast shadows across the landscape. As you float among the stars, you feel connected to the universe. From such a height, you see how everything is one. The stardust around you glistens. You begin to float further and further into the beautiful night sky around you. I invite you to bring your focus back to your body and mind. Notice all the subtle sensations through your body, the pulse of your heart, the air flowing in and out of you. Shift your awareness down to your fingers and palms. Begin to wiggle your fingers and wiggle your toes, welcoming some movement into your body. As you continue to breathe, the air flows through your body like an ocean wave. It flows down to your toes with every exhale and returns to the crown of your head as you breathe in. With every breath, you welcome peace, relaxation, and healing. Thank you so much for joining me today. Namaste.